Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the feedback module in ZenTao. In this video, we will walk you through the process of submitting feedback to tracking and resolving issues. Let's get started. Firstly, let's make sure what the feedback management in ZenTao is. Feedback management is similar to ticket management in Jira. It enables us to process, track, and document the resolution of customer issues. Why do we need feedback management? After receiving the product, customers may encounter various issues such as how to use the product, bugs, or areas for improvement. At times, customers may also face challenges that require our assistance. Hence, it is crucial to provide users with a portal to contact us. This portal enables us to efficiently respond to user feedback and enhance their satisfaction. Moreover, effective feedback management can help establish a closed-loop process for the entire project management. For instance, if a ZenTao user suggests an improvement for a feature, how should we manage this feedback? We have two options. We can assign the feedback account to the company's internal customer service department, where staff will record the feedback from customer communication and submit it to the product and development departments. Alternatively, we can directly assign the feedback account to the customer, who can fill out the feedback content, and our internal staff can handle it uniformly. Feedback can be converted into stories, tasks, bugs, or to-dos in ZenTao, or we can directly reply to users. Additionally, feedback management is not limited to external issue collection, but can also be used for the collection of product suggestions and daily usage issues from internal business departments to help organizations optimize products better. Let's check the actions in ZenTao. Feedback is always associated with the product. When a product is created, there is a field named Feedback Manager. Whenever a user submits feedback for the product, it is automatically assigned to the Feedback Manager. Here we can sort the feedback by different departments or by product features, which allow us to find the feedback quickly. We can manage the feedback permission in Feedback setting. There in a note on the top of this page, feedback users have permission to access all the products by default. If you manage feedback permission here, the user only has the current product permission. Let's take an example to better understand this note. Great Waterfall is a customized product for Harry's company. If we set Harry as the feedback user here, Harry could only be able to access to Great Waterfall and has no permission to access other products. And of course, we can set the feedback users flexible by clicking this lock. Click here to create a feedback. And then we can find it on the feedback list. If the feedback is not needed to be reviewed, we can turn off the review step in the admin, feature, feedback review. What's more, here we can do more settings about the feedback module. Once the product manager gets the feedback, he or she could assign this feedback to a dedicated person for following up, or reply to the customer directly. For some frequently asking questions, we can sort them in the FAQ. And here we can just select the template from the drop-down menu, then the answer will be filled in automatically. Besides, we can convert a feedback to story, epic, task, bug, and to-do for further analysis, and finally close the feedback. If the feedback is regarded as valueless, we can delete it. Let's take the example of converting feedback into story, which is a scenario we encounter frequently. After clicking to story, we will jump to the story creating page. As we can see, the from name and from email are synced from the feedback information. As for other fields, we can fill in manually by need. After clicking save, it will go back to the feedback detail page. Here we can clearly check the user story we just created, including the story phase and status. Besides, the story hyperlink is available on the feedback history, which allows us to check the detailed information. What's more, there is a feedback tag in the story module enables us to easily identify which stories are converted from user feedback. Let's go back to the feedback module. Same way, we can identify which feedback has been converted to other kinds of issues for further tracking. This approach allows us to conduct basic data analysis. For example, if a user submits 10 pieces of feedback, and 9 of them are converted to bugs, it may require us to improve the development and product quality. Just like other modules, we have different tags for users to better address the feedback. We can search the target feedback based on the given search conditions. Here we can even import or export the feedback. As we can see from the information above, the processing cycle for feedback is usually longer, and it requires us to follow the proper procedure to convert it into stories, bugs, and other types of issues for tracking. In comparison, tickets tend to be faster. A ticket is a temporary solution for product business issues, designed to quickly resolve problems and restore the business environment. We can immediately start to work on fixing, recoding, or redesigning the issue, and provide a prompt solution to the ticket provider. Thank you for watching this video on how to use the feedback module in ZenTao. We hope that this tutorial has given you a better understanding of how to manage feedback effectively, and how it can help you to improve your product and enhance user satisfaction. If you have any further questions or feedback, please feel free to contact us at kelsey@zentaoom.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Thanks again for watching.